as cool and stylish it is to layer for the fall and winter season, it's just not feasible for us guys that live in hot climate cities like myself, but I managed to work with it. So today I'm going to share with you a few fall/winter outfits for the hot weather. Now of course we're going to be working with light fabrics here such as cotton, linen, merino wool, or silk blends. As for the color for the garments, I went very heavy with the earth tones, but you can add in cooler colors as well. So let's start off from the most casual and gradually work our way to business casual. I'll be using a lot of the pieces from my last video, so feel free to check out that one as a precursor to this one. Outfit number 1, we're starting off very simple with a well-fitted t-shirt that has a red rustic tone to it, paired with a very lightweight denim, and finish it off with a pair of lace-up boots. You could get away with boots if they're not too heavy and they're made out of real leather lining. The pair that I have are also Blake stitched with a leather sole, making this a great all-season boot. But wait, that's not all. I'm also going to top it off with an olive shirt jacket. You know, the complete outfit is just lightweight, hot weather appropriate, while also giving a fall rugged look. I actually wore this outfit to get some work done at my local coffee shop. Outfit number 2, I still kept the same rustic red t-shirt, but swapped the denim for a pair of olive chinos and threw on a pair of German army trainers. I also had to throw in a cream colored shirt jacket for this one. Shirt jackets just elevate a simple t-shirt outfit, and you know, the color palette for this outfit flows very well from top to bottom. Also, feel free to accessorize a bit more. I personally like to go with a subtle chain or bracelet. The one that I'm wearing was provided by Ana Luisa, and they were also kind enough to sponsor this video. Now, I normally don't partner up with jewelry brands because many of them are overpriced or just poor quality for the amount they are charging. I don't have to name them. You know which ones I'm talking about. But I really love what Ana Luisa is doing. They're making a conscious effort on producing quality and sustainable jewelry that doesn't break the bank. I have personally given some as gifts, and they have been a hit because they look much more expensive than what they are charging. They have a few unisex pieces as well as many other pieces if you're looking for a gift for your significant other or family member.
They have a wide range of styles to choose from, and if you're not too sure what to choose for who you're shopping for, I suggest starting with their gift guide and bestseller section to find which pieces are the most loved and highly rated. Ana Luisa makes the shopping experience much simpler.
I personally like the necklace and bracelet set that I received, and they are also running their biggest BOGO sale of 60% off. I'll make sure to leave all the information linked down in the description. Outfit numero 3. I'm going a bit darker here, starting with a dark brown boots, dark olive chinos, a simple gray tee, and since flannel is very big during this season, I had to include one in this video, but don't get it confused with those very thick, heavy flannels. This one specifically is made out of a thin cotton. There are many in the market today that have these flannel patterns made out of a much lighter fabric. Outfit number 4, we are gradually stepping it up a notch with a cream colored polo shirt this time, paired with those light olive chinos and German army trainers, topped with this beautiful rich burgundy safari jacket. Very elevated casual, but if you want to make this look more dressier, then swap it out with a pair of dress shoes of your choice. The great thing is that we have much more options than just boots. For me, I went with my comfy penny loafers. Outfit number 5, I went very monochromatic here with this one, starting dark from the bottom and gradually implementing lighter shades of olive. I'm also working with a longer safari jacket that includes a belt. I sometimes wear it loose, tied up, or cinched from behind. Next outfit is a bit of a bonus, but throwing in a sport coat that is unlined and unstructured could also be suitable for if the fabric is light enough. The one that I have here is made out of pure cotton, while the shirt worn in this one is a thin chambray dress shirt. It kind of gives the illusion of a denim shirt in this video. One tip, if you really want to stay as cool as possible and layer as little as possible, then I suggest investing in a well-fitting short sleeve shirt and throwing on a shirt jacket or safari jacket over it. That way you don't have to double layer your sleeves while you're looking that you're layered. Now, I know some of you may have to do a shirt and tie combination, and if that's the case, then I suggest a safari jacket to replace any heavy sport coats or blazers if your dress code is a bit more flexible. But anyways, gents, those are my fall/winter outfits for the hot weather. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys are implementing if you live in the hot weather. And I want to thank Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video once again. Please make sure to check out the links down below to check out their biggest sale. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.